Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2016 290 Sundeck from Sea Ray. This one does have the windlass anchor option. It's a nice black exterior. Has the sea deck on the back swim platform. It does have the drop-down swim platform option, which is nice. You can sit in the water and enjoy a beverage while you're parked. A nice 3-step ladder. Coming inside the boat, you got 2 loungers in the back. Going into the cockpit, you have a nice wraparound seating. Sea Ray always does a great job with the upholstery. Here is a sink with a freshwater head. Got a cooler inside here, in-floor storage. These seats flip back and forth so you can sit facing aft or forward. Here we have the bathroom or the head. Coming into the bow, again, nice spacious bow in the Sundeck. Rockford Fosgate speakers. This is an upgraded sound system. It does have a subwoofer inside. Here at the helm, again, flip back and forth seat with a flip up bolster. This one does come with a Ray Marine. This boat has 388 hours on it. It is equipped with interior blue lighting and all. So as always, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. Stop out, check this boat out, and as always, hit the like and subscribe button for more details.